Boutique software development. Welcome, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll explore the benefits of boutique software development. It's a tailored and specialized approach to building software solutions that meet the unique needs of a business. Let's dive in. Boutique software development provides businesses with customized solutions. Unlike off-the-shelf software, it's tailored to meet specific requirements and goals. This ensures a competitive advantage in the market. Boutique software development follows an agile and flexible approach, allowing businesses to adapt and iterate quickly. This enables businesses to respond to changing market conditions, customer feedback, and evolving business needs. Boutique software development emphasizes quality and innovation. A specialized development team works closely with the business to understand their unique needs and challenges, resulting in high-quality software that drives innovation. Boutique software development fosters a long-term partnership between the development team and the business. The development team provides ongoing support, updates, and enhancements to the software even after it's deployed. Boutique software development is a game-changer for businesses that want customized, innovative, and high-quality software solutions. Visit our website for more detailed information and topics like this. datascientistasoc.org